Hi, I'm Blair Gilbert here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to show you how we're going to use some cedar closet liner to get the musty smell out of our pantry. We have this closet in a storage area and it just gets its own musty odor. We can't get rid of it. So what I've used before in another closet of our house is a 15 square foot cedar closet liner. Runs around $40. It's random lengths and it smells terrific. We're going to take this and we're only going to do the back wall. We're going to measure it. We're going to show how easy it is to cut. We're going to install it on the back wall in here and you'll see that we're going to save this closet. 15 years ago, I took a storage closet that we had here. I took one kit of the Cedar Safe closet liner and I installed it on the back wall. This closet smells like a beautiful cedar closet and it was only one kit. This paneling, as you notice, is tongue and grooved. There's a groove, see how it fits together like that? So you start with the tongue up. When you install it, use small little 1.5" finish nails and or a construction adhesive. The other one that I use a lot is called quick grab. It's not even required that you nail it. The glue, it kicks so fast. Not using quick grab, we're going to use some Franklin's heavy duty construction adhesive. And whenever I go to put up product with this, I find that little Hershey's Kisses amounts of glue work better than a bead, because when the Hershey's Kiss hits the wall, it will expand, break the skin if there is a skin, and it will create a good bind. I've seen work where I've taken it off where people have done a bead, they've done too many ahead of time, the bead has hardened up and never really broke and got the product to the other surface. The groove is down, so the tongue is up. I give it a little squeeze, and now if I wanted to, I could take and put a finish nail or two to hold it. So you just work your way up the wall. This is, by the way, an excessive amount of glue for just this little job. But the proof is showing you how well these dots will work for us when this is installed. The groove is down, the tongue is up. Go down, put it on the wall. We move it a little bit to break the glue, push it tight to the wall, and there it is. We'll work our way up the wall. So this will allow me to turn a musty linen closet into a beautiful cedar closet. The towels will all smell fresh and like cedar. And the cedar, very aromatic, will also keep away moths and other insects that may get in. So now I'm going to show you 4 or 5 easy ways to cut this product. You can cut this with a circular saw or with a saber saw, or an electric miter box, radial arm saw, a table saw. Quick tip, MrHardware.com, cedar to save the closet and the clothing.